Hey there! Running your own truck means you're the driver, the dispatcher, and the accountant, and IFTA season punishes sloppy records. Let me walk you through the trucking owner-operator bookkeeping and IFTA tracker, tab by tab, so your quarterly filing is a lookup instead of a nightmare. Start on settings, enter your business details, your truck's average miles per gallon, and your per-mile targets once, and they drive the math everywhere else. Trucks holds each unit you run, plate, VIN, purchase details, and fixed monthly cost, so multi-truck operators can split everything cleanly. The load trip log is the heart of it. Log every load, broker, origin, destination, miles, and rate, and it works out your revenue per mile automatically. Fuel IFTA log records every fill-up by state, gallons, and price. This is the tab that makes your quarterly IFTA filing possible. Expenses captures everything else: insurance, permits, parking, tolls, and repairs, all categorized for your Schedule C. Maintenance PM tracks, preventive maintenance by mileage interval, so a missed oil change doesn't become a rebuilt engine. IFTA summary rolls fuel and mileage together by jurisdiction, giving you the numbers your quarterly return actually asks for. And the dashboard puts it all in one place: revenue per mile, cost per mile, net profit, and your true hourly rate. That's the whole workbook. Grab your copy from the link below, and if you get stuck, just message me. Thanks for watching.